Okay, we're gonna do our volcano experiment. What's in here, Avery?
Baking sugar.
Baking soda. Baking soda. We have 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And then we need, you're going to do it in just a minute. We need 4 tablespoons, also known as 2 ounces of vinegar. Okay. Also known as 1/4 of a cup. Then we're going to add just a little bit of coloring. We're using liquid watercolors. I'm using about 4 drops of orange. Okay, we're going to give it a swirl. So 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And what is this?
I don't know.
Vinegar.
Vinegar.
Vinegar. Okay, hold on. I'm going to hold this. I'm going to hold it. And you're going to pour it, Everett. Okay, pick up the cup. Okay, pour it in the bag. There it goes. And if you zip it quickly, you can see the bag is starting to expand. Feel the bag, Avery. What's all in there?
Yeah.
It's a gas. Feel down here at the bottom. What does that feel like?
Cold.
It's cold. So this is having a chemical reaction.
Wow.
And that's how volcanoes will explode.
Yeah.
And the explosion produces, what's all in the space?
Air. There's air in
Gas.
the space.
It creates a gas.
It creates a gas.
Mm-hmm.
Boo.
Okay. Show them your bag one more time. Look at that. So that, and how's it feel at the bottom?
Cold. Oh.
Yep. And that's how we know there's a chemical reaction, temperature change. All right, let's draw it on our sheet.
I already drew.
Okay.
That X is for me.
Oh yeah. So we drew it before with the baking soda and then after. What'd you show in your picture here?
That is all the bubbles, and the water is
The vinegar.
the vinegar is fizzing, and there's air in it.
All right.